Waves. Waves can either be placed on a displacement distance graph so that you can find out how far particles have traveled from a source at a specific instant in time, or on a displacement time graph so that you can describe the movement of one particle at various times. On a displacement distance graph, only the amplitude and wavelength of waves can be identified. The amplitude of a wave is the maximum displacement of a particle from its undisturbed position, while the wavelength of a wave is the distance between two successive crests or troughs. On a displacement time graph, the amplitude, period, and frequency of a wave can be found. The period of a wave is the time taken for a particle to complete one cycle, while the frequency is the amount of waves produced in 1 second. There is an inverse relationship between the period and the frequency, where the period t is equal to 1 over the frequency in hertz. This means that as the period increases, the frequency decreases. The speed of a wave is the distance traveled by a given point on a wave in a given time. It is related to the frequency and wavelength, where wave speed equals frequency in hertz times wavelength in meters.